Tell me, Paul.
Putting holes.
Yeah, good. So just we can able to form some of the required holes depend upon our application. So that is the thing while you go for a drill. So just you can see here, after preparing a plate, whether it may be a square plate or a rectangular plate, we joined dovetail, whatever may be the thing, right? Morning section we see how to prepare a square plate, right? The same thing, just you have to considering the same plate, assembly of a MS plate. Assembly is what? Just a fitting. Using fitting, you go for a drilling and tapping operation. So tapping operation and drilling operation, already you know that, which is nothing but just you can able to put a hole, right? Or make a hole in a MS plate. What is tapping? Tapping is nothing but just enlarge the hole. Already you can able to prepare a hole by using the drilling machine. Suppose we want to increase small amount of hole size, means just you can go for a tapping operation. By using the tapping, just you can enlarge the hole. Are you clear what is the main difference between drilling and tapping? Drilling means just you can make a hole. Tapping means just enlarge the hole after prepared a hole by using drilling operation. All of you clear? What is the difference between drilling and tapping? Kana?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So again the same thing. What are the materials required for it? Material is nothing but again you have to consider the mild steel, right? Dimension is nothing but whatever it may be, considering a square plate size or a rectangular plate size, whatever may be. So I will give you the dimensions while for drawing a thing in your record. And what are the tools? The tool is we are going to prepare a hole, so definitely we need a drilling machine. For preparing a drill, we need a drill bit, right? Drill chuck is nothing but the holder, and a tri square steel rule, punching machine, hacksaw, files, all those things already we used it in previous cases itself, right? So just we will see how to prepare a hole and tapping in a MS plate. Just you can look at this video. Is the screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, so this is the drilling machine, right? So this part we can say is a drill chuck, right? Drill chuck is nothing but where you can hold the drill bit. So this is drill bit. All of it clear? Just you can recognize where I am pointing the arrow. Okay, this is a drill bit. This is a drill chuck. So where just you can hold the drill bit. This is a material holder where you can place the MS plate. This is a handle. You can applying a force on it. See, after preparing a square plate, just you can place it here for preparing a hole. So you can see just by adjusting this handle, we can force the drill bit how much amount of hole we need to prepare. See, the hole is prepared here. So the size of the hole is prepared depend upon our application, right? The size of the drill bit you can select it, right? So we have a n number of the drill bit size. So depend upon our required size of hole, we can select the drill bit. Right? After prepare a hole, you go for a tapping. So this is a tapping operation. See. ஆன்லைன்ல இருக்கிறேன் கூகுள் ஃபார்ம்லாம் நான் போட்டேன் லாகின் மட்டும் போட்டு அதை பற்றி இஆர்பி போட்டால் மதியம் இப்போ எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேன். See, just you can fix the MS plate in a bench wise, right? Already we prepared a hole by using the drilling machine. Suppose we want to enlarge the size of the hole, means we can go for a tapping. So this is the tapping operation. So depend upon the necessity of increase the size of the hole, you can choose the tap bit also. Right. So to avoiding the friction between the tap bit and MS plate, suppose we need means just you can go for a lubrication. For the purpose you are feeding a oil, okay, just to avoid the friction. Right. Again we want to enlarge the size, means again go for another tab bit, okay. Suppose we want to enlarge the size of R10, means directly we can't able to move on to the R10. So step by step you can go for the enlarging the size. So initially R6, then R8, like that. Step by step you can enlarge the size. So finally you can obtain the whatever required size of the hole, you can able to fit in by using bolt and nut, like, right? I hope all of you clear what is the difference between a drilling, tapping, and how to prepare those operations, right? Any doubt? Now, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Understood? Guys, no doubts.
No doubt, sir.
What about others? Okay, fine. Uh, just see here. In our Google Classroom, already I posted a demo videos, right? You can refer the videos also if you have any doubt, okay, by using this link. And you should upload the record before coming for the next class. Okay. For this, also I created a separate channel for experimental 1 and experiment 2. See here. So this is for experiment 1 and this is experiment 2. Before coming for the next class, all should upload your record work. So especially for these two experiments, right? Prepare a square or a rectangular joint and for a drilling and a tapping operation. Okay. See, just I tell you how to write a record. So actually this is the first experiment, right? Workplace preparation for fitting operation. All should follow the same procedure, right? You should put experimental number 1 and what's the date today. Same date, right? There is no change in that. All of you can follow the same date, 21/4/2021 for experimental 1 and experiment 2. Okay. And you can give a title and you can write aim, what are the materials required for it, whatever given in our manual, you just copy the same. Okay. And what is the dimensions you can consider means, for example, all of you can take your roll number as a dimension. Okay. For example, the 150 is 150.
Sir,
Uh, you should consider the dimension for this experiment as 150. Not only for these experiments, for all the experiments, whatever you are going to conduct in our mechanical part, you should follow the dimension as our roll number. Okay.
yes, sir.
Right. So how can you give a dimension for a first piece and second piece? For example, if you're considering a square plate, anybody? Based on our roll number, you can say the first piece dimension and second piece dimension. You know? So actually the three parameters are given. The first one is a length, breadth, and thickness. So the thickness is common to all. All of you please make a note it. The thickness you can consider as a 4 mm. Right? So all should clearly mention about the parameter first piece and second piece. The first dash, it should refer the length, breadth, and thickness. So class, open the class. Now, all of it clear. Length, breadth, thickness. The thickness is common for both first piece and second piece. Please all of you make a note which is 4 mm. Please roll number 180. 180.
Sir.
Can you tell me your dimension for first piece and second piece?
Sir, 180 mm into 180 mm and 4 mm for first piece.
Okay. What about the second piece?
So second piece also the same 180 mm and into 180 mm and 4 mm.
Okay, good. So the same thing, likewise, all should consider the dimension as your roll number. Okay, the only thickness is common to all, which is 4 mm. Any doubt in this dimensions column? Any doubt? Okay. And again, you should copy the same. What are the tools required for this experiment? And in the procedure, actually, here given is around 13 to 14 points are given. Right? Please don't copy this procedure, whatever given in our manual, right, in your own. Right? Just to give 4 to 5 points, which is enough. What are the steps need to follow for preparing this workpiece? I expect only 4 to 5 points. Don't copy the same from the manual. I should expect all from your own, right? Okay, 4 to 5 points is enough. What are the steps required to make a square plate? Okay, so please don't copy the procedure. If any one of you copied means simply I mark it as 0. And in the result column, again you can follow the same table. So in dimensional parameter, you can consider what are the dimensional parameter you're considering as a length, breadth, and thickness. Length, breadth, thickness. Just you can enroll the required dimension, right? What is the length dimension? That mean your roll number. Again, the breadth is same, and if you go for the thickness, which is considered as a 4 mm. This is required dimension, and in the obtained dimension, again you can say whatever enrolled in your required dimension, please write the same thing in obtained dimension also. Okay, let's come to the part of a diagram. Just you can plot the square plate. No need go for a rectangular plate. All of you please plot the diagram for a square dimensions. And conclusion, you can give in a single line what is the conclusion for this experiment, which is also own writing, right? So the sample diagram for this, which is given in the last page of your manual, right? Please, you can move to the page number after this one, right? See, the various models are given: V joint, L joint, and square joint. I asked to follow all of you only a square joint. So all of you please draw this diagram based on this one, right? But you should mention the dimension in our diagram, whatever I given to the dimension as your roll number. Okay, and you can use the scale ratio. What is scale ratio? I hope all of you use the scale ratio while um, plotting a graph or in maths or in engineering drawing like that, right? I hope all of you well known about the scale ratio. You should follow the scale ratio. So please write the scale ratio also. 1 centimeter equal to how much mm you are considering. So for example, if any of a roll number having 200 means, definitely they are not able to plot a 200 mm length. Right? Just you can consider the scale ratio 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. So simply you can plot for a 20 centimeter like that. Okay, please follow the scale ratio, and while plotting the diagram you should follow the what are the rules followed in our engineering drawing. So based on the engineering drawing, please sketch your diagram. Right? Any doubt? How to write a record or how to plot the diagram? So this is length 1, length 2, this is thickness, this is a breadth dimension, and again which is how much amount of material you should be removed from the breadth, right? Which is you can all of you please consider the midpoint of the thing, right? For example, we consider the roll number as a 200 means the dimension of your breadth also 200 millimeter. You can consider the material removed part as a midpoint. So midpoint is nothing but 100 mm. Likewise, others also please make a midpoint as your removable part. Clear? So repeatedly I am saying, if you made any mistake after uploading, I am not responsible for that. Simply I reduce the mark. If you have any doubt, please ask me here itself. Clear? Any doubt in plotting the diagrams for this experiment? No doubts. Anyone? Anybody? All of you clear? Say something, pa. Anyone? Anna? Okay, again the same thing for experiment 2 also. Again, you can upload the each and every experiment in a separate layer channel. Okay, don't combine the experiments and upload in a same link. So I'll go for experimental 2. So this is the thing. So again the same thing, experimental 2. Put today date and today heading, aim, materials. Again the same thing, you can follow your roll number as dimension for first piece and second piece. Again the thickness is common for all, which is 4 mm. Just take down the tools required and don't copy the procedure. You can make your own right. Please put the results here. What are the dimension parameters required for it? And finally, you can plot the diagram. So the diagram, whatever we plotted for the previous thing, again you can consider the same thing, right? In addition to that, just you can show a hole, right? So